In this video, we'll be highlighting a machine made by one of our clients that is using myCNC motion controls. We would like to thank our client for sending in this video. This machine is designed to work with metals, such as aluminum and nickel, as well as with plastics and other materials such as wood, for any milling applications. The machine features a 700 by 500 mm work area and a highly rigid construction, owing to its 100 by 100 mm support profiles and a 25 mm thickness for machine parts. The machine also features an 80 mm 2.2 kilowatt spindle. This machine also features an MQL, or minimum quantity lubrication system, which has a plunger pump and a stepper motor to control the rate of lubrication, and which supplies an air-oil mix to lubricate the spindle and the workpiece. An MQL system allows to precisely set the lubrication dose, and a large benefit of such a system is that it can be controlled directly from within the program, either through G-code or by using the buttons on the main myCNC screen. The motor for the system is calibrated during setup, after which the rate can be easily adjusted. This machine is using the myCNC ET6 motion controller, which comes with the myCNC application for Linux or Windows. As can be seen, the controller is stored inside a protective container, in addition to 4 stepper drives made by Yako. One of these drives powers the MQL system.